In this video, I'm going to show you how to save output in Kaggle. Now, the easiest way to do this is as follows. You want to open your notebook, and then here, as you can see, I've been just playing with some code, doing some testings, and you want to do a new code block, and of course, first you must cause some output. So I'm just going to put in some random code, I copy and paste it, and I'm going to run it, and this is going to give me some output, okay? So as you can see here, there it is, and then what you want to do, it's super simple here on the right. You can see it says output. You want to extend this, and then you want to first refresh the directory contents like this. So click on this button, and then in here you'll be able to see all your contents and all the outputs. So over here you can see I have like a bunch of different things here. There's like two of these. There's a chart, PNG, and then we have a CSV file. So to actually save it, you want to hover over it, click on the three dots under more actions to the right, and then it says download. So you can just download this like that, and as you can see here, it's going to basically give me that specific CSV, and it's going to save it onto my computer. And if I click on that again, it's going to save that PNG as well. So that's the first way to do it. But then the second one is if you actually want to save your version, you can do save and run all commit. Over here, I'm going to continue, and then I'm going to just press push over here. It's going to basically start loading this over here, and then you can open it whenever it's done. So it's going to start saving, and usually that's done quite quickly, and you'll be able to find it under output, and inside output data, you'll be able to then download that, okay? So the logs right now, it's running for 14 seconds. As you can see, it's putting like a bunch of different things on here, depending on how many things you have in there. This could take a few seconds up to a few minutes, so just basically wait for this to end. And as you can see here, it's already saying that it's basically giving me some like CSVs, stuff like that. Again, just wait for this, and then of course you could do some more outputs. Meanwhile, you're not limited. You can go ahead and of course do things inside here whenever you're ready. And there we go. You can then click on the view button. So over here, it's going to pop it up. Click on this whatever it's saved. So for me, it's called tutorial notebook, and you can go to the output section, and in here you can then find the things you can download. In my case here, I have this PNG. I can just click and download, or I can click on this one over here, which is a CSV, which I can download as well, etc. Okay, so that's how to save output in Kaggle. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.